Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will address a common issue with the Conga 1790 vacuum cleaner, specifically when the wheel does not function properly. This problem often arises due to a broken cable connection between the wheel and the main board. Let's dive into the steps required to diagnose and fix this issue. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. You may also need a multimeter for testing the cable connections. Begin by unplugging the vacuum cleaner from the mains to ensure safety. Next, lay the vacuum on its side to access the wheel assembly. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the wheel cover. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the cover is off, inspect the wheel mechanism. If the wheel is loose or does not rotate, it's likely due to a broken cable. Carefully detach the wheel from its housing. You will notice a cable connecting the wheel to the main board. Examine this cable closely for any visible damage or fraying. If you see any broken lines, this is the source of the problem. To replace the cable, you will need to disconnect it from both the wheel and the main board. Use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry off any clips holding the cable in place. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you receive expert advice tailored to your needs. Once the old cable is removed, take your new cable and connect it to the wheel first, ensuring it is securely fastened. Then, connect the other end to the main board. Make sure there are no twists or kinks in the cable, as this could lead to future issues. Before reassembling, it's a good idea to clean the internal components of the vacuum. Use a soft brush to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help maintain the performance of your vacuum cleaner. Now, replace the wheel cover by aligning it properly and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure everything is tightened adequately to avoid any rattling during operation. If you're unsure about any of these steps, or if the problem persists, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your vacuum repaired without the hassle of calls or travel. You can receive a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Finally, plug the vacuum back in and test the wheel functionality. If it spins freely and operates as expected, you've successfully completed the repair. If not, further diagnosis may be required. Thank you for following this guide on fixing the wheel issues of the Conga 1790. Remember, regular maintenance and prompt repairs can extend the life of your vacuum cleaner. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.